kids, today we are going to start topic is adverb. Fine. Adverb means it gives more information about verb, adjective, or other adverb. Okay, so it gives more information about verb, adjective, and other adverb. Fine, other adverb. So that is known as a adverb. Now let's see, there are 5 kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, and adverb of degree. But now these the 4 adverbs here, starting with 4 manner, place, time, frequency. It gives information about only verb. Fine. And the adverb of degree here, these gives information about verb, adjective, and other adverb. So one by one we are going to study in detail. Okay? Stop. Fine? Okay, so now we are going to start in detail, study in detail. Adverb of manner. Fine? Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner means it tells us how the action will take place or how the action happens. जैसे कि, for example, the first one, she came slowly into the room. She came slowly. So as we are studying about the adverb, and as I told you, manner, place, time, and frequency, it gives more information about the verb. Okay. So where is verb here? Can you see in the sentence? Okay. Verb is came. Okay. How she came? How she came? She came slowly. Okay. So यहाँ पर one more thing you have to just note down that when you do the adverb, so if you ask a question to them, you will get the answer. If you ask question to the sentence, you will get the answer. So for the adverb of manner, you will ask question like how. Right? How. How she came? She came slowly into the room. He speaks politely. Again, what is the verb here? Speak. How he speaks? Politely. Yes, you will get the answer. Then the third one, you must carry the tumbler carefully. So now here the verb is carry. So how you must carry? How you must carry the tumbler? Carefully. So carefully is your adverb. So it's a slowly, politely, carefully. All these shows the adverb of manner. Because जब भी हम how से question करेंगे, you will get the answer. Okay. So adverb of manner. Come moves toward the next one, that is adverb of place. Now as we are talking about the place, so हम जब place की बात करते हैं, it shows about where the actions take place. जैसे कि and where yes, just like example, from where you came. Okay, where are you going? So where, ये जो question है, we are using what question for adverb of place? Where. Fine. So first sentence example, keep your bag there. So what is verb here? Keep. Keep ये तुम्हारा verb है. So where to keep the bag? Bag कहाँ रखना है? Get the answer where. If you use question where, you will get the answer. He went out to play. Your next sentence is he went out to play. So here यहाँ पर verb है. Where he went? वो कहाँ गया? Went out. ये बता रहा कि कहाँ गया है? Place. Where? Out. बाहर गया है. Right? He went out to play. So out is your adverb here. Adverb of place. The soldiers was ordered to march forward. Right? The soldiers were ordered to march forward. Here again, this is your verb. Okay, लेकिन हम place के बारे में adverb of place. Where were the soldiers ordered to march? कहाँ उन्होंने ordered किया था to march? They ordered the soldiers to march forward. कहाँ पर? Where? Forward. Fine. So all this there, out, forward, it shows that it is adverb of place. So when you will ask the sentence from the question where, you will get the answer where it is, where the action takes place, where, the place. Now let's move towards adverb of time. Adverb of time means, अब ये time है, so obviously time यानी कि कब, when. It tells or shows the when the action takes place. जैसे कि example में, it may rain today. It may rain today. So in this we are going to, as I told you कि when, ये कब. The question like जब हम when पूछेंगे, you will get the answer. So it may rain today. So when it rain, कब rain होगा? When it will rain. Mike, it may शायद it may rain today. Right? कब होगा? May rain today. So when it shows that आज होगा, time, right? He will never succeed. He will never succeed. The next sentence is. So if the question see here, he will never succeed. When he will succeed, succeed यानी कि कामयाब. Okay, again is action. Okay, when he will succeed, कब succeed होगा? Okay, he will never, कभी नहीं. He will never succeed. Right? The last sentence. Father came home very late. Okay, so here again adverb of time बताना है हमें, and we are going to answer question with the help of when. So father came home very late. When father came home, कब आए वो? Father came home very late. So when? Late. When? Today. When he will succeed? Never. So today, never, late, all these, it shows that it's adverb of time. Fine. And the next one is adverb of frequency. Okay, so frequency means it shows, it tells about how often or how many times. Okay, if you're going to ask questions how often, if how many times, then you will get the answer. And let's see now. He often comes to my house. Okay, so यहाँ पर अगर if I will ask question, जैसे कि मैंने क्या करा, now here I'm not getting any place. So question like how often and number of times. Fine. He often comes to my house. How often he comes to my house? Okay, often यानी कि हमेशा, often. और how many times he comes? Often. Fine. I have never seen a ghost. I have never seen a ghost. So I have never seen a ghost. So here in this sentence, yes. How often you seen a ghost? अगर if I am asking you question, how often you seen a ghost? I have never seen a ghost. मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं. So never. So it shows that how many times. Okay, how often you saw that. So this is the adverb of frequency. He frequently goes to the library. He frequently goes to the library. Now in this sentence, if you ask question like how many times he goes to the library, suppose you are discussing with your friend and ऐसा किसी का topic है and you say how many times he goes to library. Okay, how often he goes to library? So obviously answer क्या मिलेगा? He frequently. It means regularly. He regularly goes to the library. So how many times or how often? Frequently. The last sentence here, as I tell you number of times, so here sometimes they also add number. Like I have told you twice. Okay, it happens. किसी means when we can't able to listen. Okay, repeat करने के लिए. So what we'll say? We'll just give this sentence. Say like this. I have told you twice. मैंने कितनी बार कहा है? Twice. So twice again. How many times I told you? Twice. So twice, frequently, never, often. These are all adverb of frequency. Okay. So when you ask question in the form of how often or how many times, yes, you will get all these answers. Hope you understand. Manner, place, time, frequency. How she came, slowly. How he speaks, politely. Where to keep the bag? There. When he went out. Okay. When the rain, when it will rain today, or when father came home late. Okay. When he came late. Adverb frequency. How many times I told you? Twice. Or how many times he goes to library, or how often he goes to library? Frequently. That is regularly. Stop.
Good luck. करो.
Okay, so adverb of degree, students. Now the last kind, adverb of degree. So as I told you कि जो starting की जो kinds है, adverb of manner, place, time, frequency, ये verb को modify कर रहे हैं, fine. But यहाँ पे adverb of degree जो है, ये adverb of degree modifies किसका information देता है? About the verb, adjective and or other adverbs. Okay, दूसरे जो adverbs हैं. So till now in our previous class we have studied that adverb यानी कि जो the words which ends with ly, that is an adverb. Yes. So वैसे ही है, what that only kind. But let's see with the examples. Okay. So adverb of degree modifies verb, adjective and other adverbs. Let's see now. So in this we are going to it tells about in what extent. Okay, or in what degree also, and how much. Let's see now from the first example. I fully agree to your suggestion. So यहाँ आपका first sentence है I fully agree to your suggestion. So यहाँ पर okay, how much I agree to your suggestion? Okay, in what extent I agree? मैं कहाँ तक agree हूँ? I fully agree. Fine? I fully agree. Which you can't able to जैसे कि express नहीं कर सकती पूरा थोड़ा, just like fully, completely, extremely, ये सारा डिग्री में आता है. Okay, in some extent. What else? Let's see now. That boy can run very fast. This is the second sentence. That boy can run very fast. Okay. In what extent he ran? Okay. यहाँ पर in this sentence, if you see well, यहाँ पर verb दिख रहा है. Yes. Just a minute. In this sentence, first में जहाँ तक देखा था agree ये verb है. Agree क्या है? Yes, verb. So I fully agree to your suggestion. Fine. So this is हो गया simple verb में. Now that boy can. So ये हो गया adverb. That boy can run very fast. यहाँ पर जो run है, this is your verb. But how he ran? Fast. तो fast क्या हो गया? जो verb को ज़्यादा it gives more information about the verb. They are known as an adverb. तो verb के बारे में information क्या दे रहा है? How he ran? Fast. So fast ये आपका adverb है. लेकिन जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि adverb of degree also give information about other verb. तो ये जो verb है इसके बारे में और additional information दे रहा है. So very, how that boy can run fast? ज़्यादा, very fast. So very is your adverb. So when suppose आपके कोई sentence में in your sentence they give you to underline the adverb. Though already there is an adverb, तो आपको याद रखना है it comes in which category, in which kind? Adverb of degree, which also modifies other adverb. So ये जो adverb को क्या which answer will get modify कर रहा है? The answer is very your. Fine. The next sentence है it is an extremely sad story. So in this sentence, if you see well, story is a noun. Story noun है. Okay, एक नाम है, कहानी, story. Okay, but कैसी story है? Noun को describe कौन करता है? That is an adjective. It means that how the story is sad. Sad story. Sad is an adjective. Okay, now it is an extremely sad story. लेकिन sad story कैसी है? How? How much? और yes, in what extent? It is an extremely sad story. Fine. Sad story कैसी है? Extremely, कुछ ज़्यादा ही. Fine. So this is an adjective. So here adverb of degree again modifies adjective here. So extremely, that is your adverb of degree. Fine. She is tall enough to take the books from the shelf. She is tall enough. Now here already यहाँ पर she यानी कि tall बताया है. Tall is a adjective. Describe कर रहा है, quality बता रहा है. Fine. So tall. She is tall enough. Enough है. She is tall enough. इतना tall means वो उतनी tall is so that she can also have that book from that particular shelf. So she is tall. It's describing. It modify the adjective. So that is an enough. So enough आपका क्या हो गया? Adverb of degree. And the last one, Rahul is walking too slowly. Okay. So in this example, okay. Again I am just यहाँ पर walking is a verb. Okay. Verb को more information. How he walking? How Rahul is walking? Slowly. Already यहाँ पर ly भी है. So that's an adverb, right? But कैसा slowly? How much? Okay. So Rahul is walking too slowly. कुछ ज़्यादा ही slow, right? So to यहाँ पर it modifies the other adverb. Okay. So adverb of degree it modifies verb, adjective, and other adverb. Hope you with all this example you understand well all the kinds, right? Okay. Thank you.
Varsana.